Row your boat through gentle tide, calm breeze cove stretched far and wide. Ripples sparkled in the sun, softly gliding one by one. Children laughed and floated free, water shining like a sea. Every wave a lullaby, moonlight gleamed from up high. Peaceful waters carried them through, dreams afloat on silver blue. Breeze Cove magic felt brand new. Row your boat through gentle tide, calm breeze cove stretched far and wide. Ripples sparkled in the sun, softly gliding one by one. Children laughed and floated free, water shining like a sea. Every wave a lullaby, moonlight gleamed from up high. Peaceful waters carried them through, dreams afloat on silver blue. Breeze Cove magic felt brand new. Bo Peep skipped across the green, opening a shelter calm and clean. Soft hay mats lined every wall, blankets waiting for one and all. Flowers nodded in the breeze, whispering through the gentle trees. Children laughed and played nearby, kites and ribbons filled the sky. Comfort, shelter, safe and bright, glowing softly in the light. Bo Peep's meadow felt just right. Bo Peep skipped across the green, opening a shelter calm and clean. Soft hay mats lined every wall, blankets waiting for one and all. Flowers nodded in the breeze, whispering through the gentle trees. Children laughed and played nearby, kites and ribbons filled the sky. Comfort, shelter, safe and bright, glowing softly in the light. Bo Peep's meadow felt just right. Hey diddle diddle played a tune, cloud light fiddle beneath the moon. Stars dance softly overhead, twinkling lights of silver thread. Cats and cows joined in the song, hopping lightly all along. Children clapped and tapped their feet, joining in the joyful beat. Every note was bright and clear, echoing far for all to hear. Cloud light fribbled, jubilee. Hey diddle diddle played a tune, cloud light fiddle beneath the moon. Stars dance softly overhead, twinkling lights of silver thread. Cats and cows joined in the song, hopping lightly all along. Children clapped and tapped their feet, joining in the joyful beat. Every note was bright and clear, echoing far for all to hear. Cloud light fribbled, jubilee. Rain, rain, go away, fell light, turning puddles soft and bright. Drops became a gentle hue, soft blue glow shining through.
Soft blue glow shining
Clouds
through.
drifted slowly in the sky, rainbow reflections caught the eye. Children splashed and laughed with cheer, magic shimmered far and near. Every Soft blue
Turning
glow
clouds soft and
shining through. Clouds drifted slowly in the sky. Rainbow reflections
Soft blue glow shining
caught the
through.
eye. Children splashed and laughed with cheer. Magic shimmered far and near. Every leaf and flower shone, glowing softly all alone. Soft blue glow filled every zone. Rock-a-bye, baby, close their eyes. Star drift, cradle rocked under skies. Moonlight danced across the bed, softest pillows beneath their head. Clouds drifted gently all around. Whispers floated, softest sound. Dreams of magic, pure delight, guided baby through the night. Stars above hummed lullaby, floating softly, drifting by. Star drift, cradle rock nearby. Rock-a-bye, baby, close their eyes. Star drift, cradle rocked under skies. Moonlight danced across the bed, softest pillows beneath their head. Clouds drifted gently all around. Whispers floated, softest sound. Dreams of magic, pure delight, guided baby through the night. Stars above hummed lullaby, floating softly, drifting by. Star drift, cradle rock nearby. 5 little monkeys climbed and played, jungle bounce garden where they stayed. Vines and trampolines swung high, laughing monkeys left the sky. Viners watched with gentle eyes, parrots squawked their happy cries. Children bounced and tumbled too, magic spreading through the zoo. Every leap was full of cheer, echoing laughter far and near. Jungle bounce garden felt so dear. Five little monkeys climbed and played, jungle bounce garden where they stayed. Vines and trampolines swung high, laughing monkeys left the sky. Simple Simon mixed and stirred fresh lemon treats, sweet and spurred. Cakes and tarts with golden zest, shining bright and smelling best. Children lined up one by one, hoping for a tasty fun. Every bite was pure delight, filling hearts with sunny light. Simon smiled as pies were done, golden treats beneath the sun. Lemon treats and joy begun. Simple Simon mixed and stirred fresh lemon treats, sweet and spurred. Cakes and tarts with golden zest, shining bright and smelling best. Children lined up one by one, hoping for a tasty fun. Every bite was pure delight, filling hearts with sunny light. Simon smiled as pies were done, golden treats beneath the sun. Lemon treats and joy begun. Simple Simon mixed and stirred fresh lemon treats, sweet and spurred. Cakes and tarts with golden zest, shining bright and smelling best. Children lined up one by one, hoping for a tasty fun. Every bite
Twilight was pure delight, filling hearts with sunny light. Simon smiled as pies were done, golden treats beneath the sun, lemon treats and joy begun. Jack the nimble ran so fast, over sparkled stones he dashed past. Crystals shimmered in the sun, magic shining, oh what fun. Children cheered along the way, hoping they could leap and play. Every jump was light and free, fruiting softly, magically. Sparkle stones glimmered bright, guiding Jack through morning light. Every leap was full of light. Jack the nimble ran so fast, over sparkled stones he dashed past. Crystals shimmered in the sun, magic shining, oh what fun. Children cheered along the way, hoping they could leap and play. Every jump was light and free, fruiting softly, magically. Sparkle stones glimmered bright, guiding Jack through morning light. Every leap was full of light. Miss Polly worked with gentle hands, building a mini care cabin on the lands. Tiny beds and soft warm quilts, every corner filled with thrills. Children helped and laughed along, painting doors and singing a song. Every doll had a place to rest, soft pillows tucked in each nest. Care and love were everywhere, filling hearts with magic rare. Mini care cabin full of care. Miss Polly worked with gentle hands, building a mini care cabin on the lands. Tiny beds and soft warm quilts, every corner filled with thrills. Children helped and laughed along, painting doors and singing a song. Every doll had a place to rest, soft pillows tucked in each nest. Care and love were everywhere, filling hearts with magic rare. Mini care cabin full of care. 3 blind mice scurried with delight. Cheddar lantern lane glowed bright. Tiny lanterns lit the way, casting magic through the day. Golden cheese lined every path. Squeaks of laughter followed their math. Children peeked with joyful eyes, watching glow beneath the skies. Every corner sparkled light, twinkling soft both day and night. Lantern lane shone warm and bright. 3 blind mice scurried with delight. Cheddar lantern lane glowed bright. Tiny lanterns lit the way, casting magic through the day. Golden cheese lined every path. Squeaks of laughter followed their math. Children peeked with joyful eyes, watching glow beneath the skies. Every corner sparkled light, twinkling soft both day and night. Lantern lane shone warm and bright. Sixpence sang as twilight fell, notes like magic started to swell. Music fair spread through the glade, every tree and flower swayed. Fireflies danced in gentle rows, children clapped and joined the shows. Birds harmonized from highest trees, soft melodies drifted on the breeze. Lanterns flickered in the air, magic sparkling everywhere. Twilight music fair beyond compare. started to swell. Music fair spread through the glade. Every tree and flower swayed. Fireflies danced in gentle rows. Children clapped and joined the shows. Birds harmonized from highest trees. Soft melodies drifted on the breeze. Lanterns flickered in the air, magic sparkling everywhere. Twilight music fair beyond compare. Rain arrives with gentle sigh, falling softly from the sky. Wrapped at sunlight slips between, drops turn into starlit sheen. Mist begins to softly glow, spreading shimmer as winds blow. Children laugh and dance within, touched by sparkles on their skin. Rain becomes a dreamy twist, turning into starlight mist. Magic born from nature's kiss. Rain arrives with gentle sigh, falling softly from the sky. Wrapped at sunlight slips between, drops turn into starlit sheen. Mist begins to softly glow, spreading shimmer as winds blow. Children laugh and dance within, touched by sparkles on their skin. Rain becomes a dreamy twist, turning into starlight mist. Magic born from nature's kiss. Had a cake baked with glee, crafting a sweet crumble cottage to see. Cookie walls and frosting roof, every corner held a proof. Candy window, sugar floors, delightful magic through all doors. Children came to taste and play, sing sweet songs all the way. Every bite a treat so fine, sparkling with a sugary shine. Crumble Cottage was simply divine. Had a cake baked with glee, crafting a sweet crumble cottage to see. Cookie walls and frosting roof, every corner held a proof. Candy window, sugar floors, delightful magic through all doors. Children came to taste and play, sing sweet songs all the way. Every bite a treat so fine, sparkling with a sugary shine. Crumble Cottage was simply divine. Twinkle, twinkle, shine so bright, gliding softly through the night, over velvet meadow white, casting silver far and wide. Flowers sway beneath the glow, gentle breezes move them slow. Owls peek out from trees so tall, shadows dancing on the wall. Children watch from beds below, hearts aglow with gentle light. Twinkle, twinkle makes the night, night. Twinkle, twinkle, shine so bright, gliding softly through the night, over velvet meadow white, casting silver far and wide. Flowers sway beneath the glow, gentle breezes move them slow. Owls peek out from trees so tall, shadows dancing on the wall. Children watch from beds below, hearts aglow with gentle light. Twinkle, twinkle makes the night. Old MacDonald worked with cheer, building blossom barn so near. Orchard trees with blossom sweet, magic filling every street. Horses neighed and chickens clucked, cows and pigs all happily tucked. Children painted walls so bright, ladders placed to reach the height. Sunlight glimmered through each space, smiles and laughter filled the place. Little blossom barn, a happy grace. Old MacDonald worked with cheer, building blossom barn so near. Orchard trees with blossom sweet, magic filling every street. Horses neighed and chickens clucked, cows and pigs all happily tucked. Children painted walls so bright, ladders placed to reach the height. Sunlight glimmered through each space, smiles and laughter filled the place. Little blossom barn, a happy grace. Humpty Dumpty stacked each tile, crafting patterns with a smile. Colors glowing, shapes so fun, shining brightly in the sun. Bees buzzed gently all around, butterflies floated without a sound. Children wandered down the rows, marveling at how it grows. Every step brought cheer anew, magic sparkled in every hue. Grunting pattern workshop felt so true. Humpty Dumpty stacked each tile, crafting patterns with a smile. Colors glowing, shapes so fun, shining brightly in the sun. Bees buzzed gently all around, butterflies floated without a sound. Children wandered down the rows, marveling at how it grows. Every step brought cheer anew, magic sparkled in every hue. Grunting pattern workshop felt so true. Mary led her lamb so white through the forest harmony parade that night. Birds and squirrels sang along. Golden water sparkled bright, flowing softly in the light. Golden dipped their hands inside, magic rippled in the tide. Every splash brought giggles and cheer, shimmering water sparkled clear. Dragonflies danced upon each wave, whispering secrets to the brave. Creek path magic they would crave. Jack and Jill ran up the hill, shimmering creek path beyond the mill. Golden water sparkled bright, flowing softly in the light. Golden dipped their hands inside, magic rippled in the tide. Every splash brought giggles and cheer, shimmering water sparkled clear. Dragonflies danced upon each wave, whispering secrets to the brave. Creek path magic they would crave. Black sheep spun with gentle care, moon soft yarn was everywhere. Soft and warm in every strand, magic weaving through each hand. Children cuddled in delight, blankets glowing through the night. Stars embroidered in every row, sparkling softly as they glow. Warmth and laughter filled the room, moon soft yarn dispelled all gloom. Cozy threads made hearts bloom. Black sheep spun with gentle care, moon soft yarn was everywhere. Soft and warm in every strand, magic weaving through each hand. Children cuddled in delight, blankets glowing through the night. Stars embroidered in every row, sparkling softly as they glow. Warmth and laughter filled the room, moon soft yarn dispelled all gloom. Cozy threads made hearts bloom. Boy Blue blew his gentle horn, morning sky choir came at dawn. Birds and clouds joined in the tune, singing softly to the moon. Children dance beneath the light, morning melodies pure and bright. Every note a sparkling cheer, filling skies both far and near. Harmony floated in the air, magic wrapped everywhere. Morning sky choir sounded fair. Boy Blue blew his gentle horn, morning sky choir came at dawn. Birds and clouds joined in the tune, singing softly to the moon. Children dance beneath the light, morning melodies pure and bright. Every note a sparkling cheer, filling skies both far and near. Harmony floated in the air, magic wrapped everywhere. Morning sky choir sounded fair. Wheels on the bus roll down the lane, through Daisy Valley with no strain. Feathers floated in the breeze, Daisy swayed among the trees. Children sang and clapped along, joining in the happy song. Every turn was full of fun, magic sparkled in the sun. Bus wheels hummed a gentle tune, flowing softly under the moon. Daisy Valley with no strain. Wheels on the bus roll down the lane, through Daisy Valley with no strain. Feathers floated in the breeze, Daisy Bus wheels hummed a gentle tune, flowing softly under the moon. Daisy Valley with no strain. Spider climbed the spout so high, spinning dewdrop ladder to the sky. Glittering beads hung on each thread, twinkling softly overhead. Children marveled from below, watching every gentle glow, every strand a magic line, catching moonlight as it shined. Soft and bright the ladder gleamed, carrying dreams just as they seemed. Spider's dewdrop ladder beamed. Spider climbed the spout so high, spinning dewdrop ladder to the sky. Glittering beads hung on each thread, twinkling softly overhead. Children marveled from below, watching every gentle glow, every strand a magic line, catching moonlight as it shined. Soft and bright the ladder gleamed, carrying dreams just as they seemed. Spider's dewdrop ladder beamed. London Bridge turned soft and bright, silver crossing glowed at night. Lanterns sparkled on each side, guiding children as they stride. Stars above twinkled in tune, magic shimmered by the moon. Every step was safe and light, filling hearts with pure delight. Bridge held stories old and new, soft light shining through and through, gentle crossing for all to view. London Bridge turned soft and bright, silver crossing glowed at night. Lanterns sparkled on each side, guiding children as they stride. Stars above twinkled in tune, magic shimmered by the moon. Every step was safe and light, filling hearts with pure delight. Bridge held store